Hello everyone, this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will cover what is the abstract class. So it's a very important question in dotnet interview. So let's start. And I can explain you with the help of simple examples so you can easily remember and easily give answer in your interview. So abstract class is nothing. You can see it's a blueprint for other classes that cannot be used to create an object by its own. It's designed to be inherited from other classes which provide the specific rules. For example, here I can give you a simple example. So abstract class is like a template. For example, a template for a house. You make a template for a house that this house must have a doors and windows, but it does not specify which material and style you use for this house or for doors and windows. So that is defined by the subclass or the drive class. All the specific details we provide in the drive class. Abstract class, here is the abstract class is like rules in the template. They declare that certain rules must exist but don't explain how it works. So abstract method is simply make any method without their definition. In subclasses we can declare that method and we can give the definition of that method. So here is a simple example. For example, we are making a animal class, abstract class animal, and here we can make this abstract method abstract void sound. Without any implementation we can make this method sound, and we can make another method concrete method with implementation like void sleep and sleeping. So this method we already declare here and give the definition, but here we only implement that method. So this is the abstract method and this is the concrete method. So here we can insert this animal, dog extend animal, implement the abstract method. Here we can implement this method void sound and system dot walk. So we can use this method different ways. For example, for cat we can here we can change, because every animal has a different sound, so we can easily use that way. So in the abstract class animal, the method sleep, the method sleep is a concrete method because it's already have a implementation. You can see here already have a implementation. When the dog extend animal, it automatically inherits this method. So when it insert animal, it automatically insert this method. That's why we don't call the sleep for the dog object without writing it again. Only abstract method like sound must be implemented in the child class, but the concrete method sleep can be used reused as they are. We can reuse this method as they are. This sleep method we reused in the dog class. So in simple way, sound must be implemented different for every animal, and sleep already implemented once and reused for the all the animals. So in a abstract class, first one is a what? A class you cannot create an object from directly. We cannot create an object this class directly. And why? It has some method that are not finished, no, like abstract method, and to provide the basic template for the other classes to follow and complete. So it's make only a method simple, so other classes will follow this method. And here abstract method no code inside, just method name and parameter, and in subclasses or drive class must write the code for it. And in concrete method fully code and we reuse in the subclasses can use it and override if needed. So in a simple example, abstract class a recipe book with some recipe missing steps, some recipes missing step, and the abstract method a recipe without instruction. We can make a recipe and without in a book here is a no instruction. And in concrete method a recipe with fully instruction. Here we can give the instruction in the drive class, and here we can reuse as it in the drive class. So this is the abstract class. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.